Most people buy SUVs based on what's popular. Big brands, new models, fancy features. But the truth is, some of the most reliable SUVs are the ones nobody talks about. They don't get the hype. They don't trend online, but they just keep going past 200,000 miles. Here are some of the most reliable SUVs nobody is paying attention to. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is one of those SUVs that quietly outperforms expectations. It doesn't have the strongest brand hype when it comes to reliability, and it doesn't dominate sales charts like some competitors, but in real-world ownership, it consistently proves to be one of the most dependable compact SUVs you can buy. The key reason comes down to engineering. Mazda built the CX-5 on its SkyActiv platform, which focuses on reducing mechanical stress. That means lighter components, better efficiency, and fewer long-term wear issues compared to heavier or overly complex designs. Under the hood, you'll typically find either a 2-liter or 2.5-liter engine. Both are naturally aspirated in most trims, which already puts them at an advantage over more complicated turbocharged setups. Less complexity usually means fewer things that can go wrong. Maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, filters, brakes, nothing out of the ordinary. And because Mazda didn't overload the vehicle with unnecessary electronics, you avoid many of the small but expensive issues that tend to show up in other modern SUVs. Another thing owners often mention is how solid the car feels over time. Even after 100,000 miles, the CX-5 tends to drive tight, feel stable, and avoid excessive rattles or interior wear. It also handles better than most SUVs in its class. Steering is precise, the chassis feels planted, and it doesn't feel cheap on the road. Now, it's not perfect. Earlier models can have slightly firmer ride quality, less interior space compared to some rivals, but those are trade-offs many people are willing to accept, because what you get in return is something far more valuable: consistency. This is the kind of SUV you buy if you want something modern, efficient, and low risk without paying a premium just for the badge. Number 4. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is often seen as a lifestyle vehicle, something for camping, road trips, snowy roads. But what many people don't realize is that it's also one of the most durable all-wheel drive vehicles in its category. The Outback stands out because of its full-time all-wheel drive system. This isn't a system that only kicks in when needed, it's always working, constantly adjusting traction. And over the years, Subaru has refined it to the point where it's both capable and reliable. Under the hood, you'll typically find a 2.5-liter Boxer engine. Now, Boxer engines get mixed opinions online, but in this generation, Subaru addressed many of the older reliability concerns. When properly maintained, these engines can run for a long time without major issues. And because the Outback is designed for real-world use, not just city driving, it handles rough conditions extremely well. Snow, dirt roads, long-distance trips, it's built for that. Another advantage is practicality. You get a spacious interior, strong visibility, comfortable seating for long drives. It's not flashy, but it's extremely functional. Maintenance costs are also reasonable compared to many all-wheel drive SUVs, especially considering the capability you're getting. Now, there are a few things to watch. CVT transmission maintenance is important. Regular fluid changes are key. But overall, if you stay on top of basic service, this is a vehicle that can last well beyond 200,000 miles. And in places with harsh winters, it's one of the smartest choices you can make. Number 3. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX is one of the most overlooked premium SUVs on the market, and that's exactly why it's such a smart buy. It sits in a strange position where budget buyers think it's too expensive. Luxury buyers overlook it for German brands. But underneath the badge, it's built on something extremely important: Honda engineering. That changes everything. The 2019 Plus generation comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and unlike older Acura models, this setup has proven to be solid and consistent. No problematic transmissions, no overly complicated systems, just a well-balanced drivetrain. Another big advantage is cost of ownership. Even though it's a premium SUV, maintenance costs are much closer to Honda than to brands like BMW or Mercedes. That means cheaper parts, more affordable labor, fewer surprise expenses. And that's where the real value comes in, because you're getting a premium interior, strong performance, AWD capability without paying premium-level repair bills. On the road, the RDX feels refined. It's quiet, smooth, and responsive, something you don't always get in this price range. Now, it's not perfect. Some people don't like the infotainment system, and it can take time to get used to, but that's a small trade-off compared to what you're getting overall. This is one of those SUVs that feels expensive, but doesn't cost you like one over time. Number 2. Toyota Venza. The Toyota Venza is one of the most underrated SUVs Toyota has made in recent years. It doesn't get nearly as much attention as the RAV4, and that's exactly why it flies under the radar. The Venza is built on Toyota's hybrid system, one of the most proven and reliable powertrains in the industry. This system has been refined over decades, and by now it's incredibly efficient and durable. You're not dealing with experimental tech here. You're getting a hybrid engine that's been tested for years, smooth power delivery, and very low mechanical stress. That combination is what leads to long-term reliability. Another major benefit is fuel efficiency. You're getting SUV practicality with fuel economy that rivals smaller cars, and that adds up to real savings over time. Inside, the Venza feels more premium than most people expect. It's quiet, comfortable, and well-built. Toyota clearly positioned it as a more refined alternative within its lineup. Now, some people skip it because it's not as sporty, it's not as mainstream as the RAV4, but that's exactly the opportunity, because you're getting Toyota reliability in a package that's less in demand, often better equipped, and still very durable. This is the kind of SUV you buy if you want something efficient, comfortable, and built to last, without following the crowd. Number 1. Honda Passport. The Honda Passport is one of the most overlooked midsize SUVs on the market, and yet it might be one of the smartest choices you can make. It sits between the CR-V and the Pilot, and because of that, many buyers simply ignore it. But here's what they're missing. The Passport uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine that Honda has been refining for years. This engine is known for its durability, smooth power delivery, and long lifespan when properly maintained. It's not overcomplicated, it's not pushed to its limits, and that's exactly why it lasts. The transmission in newer models is also much more refined compared to older generations, avoiding many of the issues Honda had in the past. Another advantage is how the Passport is built. It's slightly smaller and lighter than the Pilot, which means less stress on components, better long-term durability, and often fewer wear-related issues. On the road, it feels strong and stable. You get confident acceleration, solid AWD performance, and a comfortable ride. It's also very practical. Plenty of cargo space, good ground clearance, and enough capability for real-world use, whether that's road trips, winter driving, or light off-road conditions. Maintenance costs stay reasonable, especially compared to other midsize SUVs with similar performance. And that's what makes it stand out. It gives you power, space, reliability, without unnecessary complexity. This is one of those SUVs that doesn't get attention, but absolutely deserves it.